In this quick video, I am going to show you how to add animation in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now adding animation is really easy in PowerPoint. So as you can see, I have two things on my slide. So first one is this image and second one is this text. Now in case I want to add animation to this image, so for that we need to select our image, then tap on animations from here. Once we tap on it, PowerPoint will show you all of the animations here. So you can choose any animation from here. So if I want to choose zoom animation, I can select it and then that animation will be applied on my image. If you want to add animation to your multiple objects, then for that we need to select multiple objects at once. So for that, select your first image, then hold shift on your keyboard and select your text or image. So I have selected my text here. And as you can see, I have selected both things, and now if I apply animation, then both the things will be animated at once. So I don't want to do it. I want to animate one thing at a time. So firstly, I want to animate my image. So for that, I'll select my image first, then choose the animation. You can also choose options for your animation. For that, tap on effect options and choose your center or anything. So I also want to animate my text. So for that, now I need to select my text and now choose the animation. This time I want to go with float in, select that, and I can also edit the duration of my animation. So I want to reduce the duration, I want to make it 0.50, and now if I open slideshow, you can see I have successfully animated my image and text, and these numbers will indicate that which things comes first in your animation. In my case, my image will come first and then the text will come. If you want to change this thing, then for that go to animation pane, and from this order you can change your animation position. So I want my text to come first, so for that I just need to drag my text to up and then my text will be first on my animation. So I can preview it here, and there you go, I have successfully changed the position of my animations. Now if I was a big help, can you please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.